Yesterday, I watched a motivational movie. Now I am fully charged. And no doubt, this process will be continued next few days. But after that, I will come back to my same position. This happens with me always, and I think this happens with everyone because motivate or demotivate, these are temporary like other feelings. My name is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel English Conversation with Priya. In this video, I am going to discuss about a very important topic, that how to motivate yourself all the time. When we are motivated or how to be motivated. We watch some motivational videos, we watch some motivational movies, or we listen some motivational speeches. Then we are inspired a lot. We get this feeling we have to achieve everything. Motivation is what encourages us to behave in certain ways, push ourselves to accomplish targets, and makes us enjoy the jobs. Our mind and our body both are connected with each other. When we are motivated, they work together actively. Sometimes situation is like that. Our brain goes fast. Our mind is prepared to achieve any kinds of goal, but our body doesn't work properly. Our body doesn't active. I felt the situation few days ago. I went to my friend's house to attend Eid festival. On the way, I got terrible rain and I got completely drenched in rain. After returning my home, I got cold. My voice was sore. I couldn't speak out any word. My voice was sore, and always I was demotivated to think about that when I will get healed, and that's why I couldn't upload any videos in YouTube last week. So it's very necessary to keep healthy mind accompanied with healthy wealth. Every day we have to do some exercise, some physical work. We should take normal food, means healthy food, and always avoid junk food to get better fitness, and start your day with some good habits to keep your healthy mind. And always you have to think positivity is compelled our brain to think about positive thinking. When we are motivated, our brain, our mind, and our body, they work together actively. And what do you want, you better understand to yourself than other. Sometimes we are demotivated and we click on YouTube, take out any motivational content and start watching. After that, we are super inspired and thinking about fantasy our life, but we don't focus on system, we don't focus on process, we don't put effort to achieve the goal. How is it possible? Long term motivation is little bit difficult. So what is motivation? There are four major components to motivation. Number 1, activation. Number 2, persistence. Number 3, insistence. And number 4, direction. So start focusing what you can do and dedicate your full effort to achieve the goal. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and share with your friends. Please let me know how did you like this video. I will see you again on next video. Till then, take care.